So writing the vision helps you to interpret it correctly at the right time. The Bible says, write the vision down. Habakkuk, he says, then the Lord answered me and said, write the vision and make it plain on tablets. Now, if you know, some in the olden years, they didn't have the book and pen. So, make it plain on tablets that he may run who reads it. So sometimes when somebody write a book, it's some sort of vision that the person have for the future. So writing the vision helps you to interpret it correctly at the right time. Revelation matures over time. And when it comes back, I was like, yo, wow. I even says, keep this in memory for me. So that every time, whenever I ask about church vision, this must come up and show me how I must do it. So writing the vision down helps you to interpret it correctly. So when God gives dreams, write it. Write the date as well. And when you wrote the date and you wrote the dream, pray over it. I'm even acknowledging that I can't live without you being present with this. So sometimes when you do that, it will give you a clear understanding of the dream and it will interpret the dream correctly. And remember, many prophetic words also become clearer only after your obedience.